I believe a leader is someone who is focused on the optimal success of not only the business, but also their employees.
A leader is someone who views victories as a group project. They are the people who can see the unseen, if it is in a person, a group, or a system.
To know who they are leading, I feel like they need to know how the employee works best. Nicole lives the value of creating an environment of joy. She's always laughing and happy first thing in the morning, and she pretty much stays that way all day. So she definitely creates an environment of joy.
Everybody makes mistakes, but Melissa has a way of making you feel like your mistakes are written in pencil while your successes are written in pen. When I make a mistake, her consistent example of forgiveness and understanding give me a safe space to try again.
Angel encourages me to be better by supporting my growth as a business professional, but also as an individual. I think Angel most embodies our core value of leaving the world a better place. He is so dedicated to the development of his people, but also mindful of the impact that our business has on the world.